Restoring Confidence, a guide to self-empowerment. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an inspiring topic, restoring confidence. Confidence is the belief in oneself and one's ability to succeed. Sometimes, life's challenges can shake this belief, but restoring confidence means rebuilding that trust in ourselves. Let's explore how this concept plays a crucial role in both personal growth and communication. Confidence is more than just a feeling. It's a state of mind that impacts how we approach our daily activities, interactions, and goals. Having confidence means feeling secure in your abilities and worth. However, it's natural for confidence levels to fluctuate over time due to various circumstances. Restoring confidence involves actions and mindsets that help us regain our sense of self-assurance. Restoring confidence is crucial for numerous reasons. It enables us to face challenges with a positive attitude, enhance our performance in tasks, and improve our interpersonal relationships. Confidence also affects how we communicate. It helps us express our ideas more clearly and assertively. In essence, restoring confidence is about overcoming fear and self-doubt to achieve our fullest potential. 1. Set realistic goals. Start with small, achievable goals to build a sense of accomplishment. 2. Positive self-talk. Replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations about your abilities and worth. 3. Learn from failures. View failures as learning opportunities rather than setbacks. 4. Seek support. Surround yourself with people who encourage and believe in you. 5. Celebrate your strengths. Focus on your strengths and achievements, however small they may seem. Restoring confidence is a journey that requires patience, effort, and self-compassion. Remember, it's perfectly okay to have moments of doubt, but what's important is how we respond to these challenges. By adopting the strategies we discussed, you can rebuild your confidence and move forward more resiliently. We hope this video has inspired you to believe in yourself and your abilities. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to practice confidence in your daily life and language learning journey.